how to use iMessage effects on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to use iMessage effects on your iPhone to make your messages more fun and expressive. iMessage effects let you add animations, bubbles, and screen effects to your messages, perfect for celebrations or emphasis. So, first things first, open up your Messages app and then go to the conversation where you want to send the effect. Then, on the chat box, write the message that you want to send. Now, you'll need to press and hold the blue send button, and then you can see the bubble and the screen effect. So you can see slam, loud, gentle, invisible ink. You can choose any that you want to. And then you can see the screen tab, go to screen. And then you can see the preview of the effects. You can just swipe to the left and preview the effects. So just choose the one that you want to send. So after you find the one of your choice, just hit send. And that's it. As you can see, this is how the screen effects work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.